Yeah, g'day guys. Been a while between videos. I've got a couple of ideas for a couple in the next week or so, but I got a bit of a score today. Do you want to see it? Really? Okay, let's see. No, it's not the cat. I acquired this Trangia cook set today. Now, it's secondhand, as you can tell by the box. The price tag on it was £16.25, and the sticker there says Scout Shops. New Zealand used to have a series of shops for the that raised funds for the Scouts, Boy Scout Association, and you could go and buy your jerseys and your badges and Scout shops sort of disappeared when I was a teenager. But more importantly, that price tag shows that it was purchased prior to 1967, because in 1967 we went to dollars and cents. So yeah, the box, as you can see, the box from the front is in pretty good condition, and I'm just loving them. As my son said, look at this cheeky bugger here with his fish, and yeah, not quite sure what they're up to. Yeah, interesting. And on the side there, it's got the photo, it's got the cook set, all the bits, and the kettle in a dotted line because that's an accessory. The back, the box has been taped up here, but it's got all the directions in English for those of you that haven't used one of these. So yeah, what's in here? Well, here's where I'm really pleasantly surprised. Look at the state of the set. Look at it. Okay, I'm going to get it out. I'm trying to do this one-handed, which is always a challenge. Hang on, I'll just undo that strap and come back to you. So I've removed the strap, and this is where we start getting into the goodness. Now, this lid can be used as a pot lid, or it can be used as a frying pan. Now, the first time I opened it, the paper was sitting here like this, and if we look inside, I don't think it's ever been put on the heat. It's like it's brand new. The plastic bag for the cooker. The idea is that you put the stove in here after it had after you'd finished using it, once it had cooled down, and any condensation from the methylated spirits would allow the bag to contain it and not corrode the aluminium. Frey Bentos steak and kidney pudding. Now, I have a feeling that this was used as a coffee cup. You know what? I'm going to use it as a coffee cup too. Now, this matchbox is made out of balsa wood or similar. This is cool. I'm not going to use these waterproof matches. I'm going to keep those just in my collection. As you can see, they're almost new. Yeah, the inner box is cardboard, but the outer box is actually made of wood. So I'm going to keep these because that's pretty cool old box of matches. Okay, here's where it gets good, because the previous owner, everything is still wrapped in paper. We've got the pot lifter. We've got the Trangia stove. Now this is a 25. That's the larger one of the two. And this one has the integral simmer ring. The other Trangias I've got, it doesn't clip on, so they often get lost. But this one, there's not much corrosion or anything in there. I'd be led to believe this has hardly been used. And then the simmer ring is put on to cover the wee jets and slow the burn down if you're just wanting to heat something gently, like a stew or a pot of soup that requires cooking more than just boiling water or heating it up. Good to stop the baked beans sticking on the bottom. And all this brown paper is factory packing. The small pot, look at that, it's never been on the heat. More paper packaging. The larger pot, has seen some use, but again, not much. It's, you know, you'd expect that the first couple of times you use it. So I'll put them over there, and the actual unit itself is like new. Sorry, wrong way up. It's like new. So these go down when you're using the pots. You put the pot on there, let it cook, and we would use the pot lifter to lift it. Put it out, we get the lid. We just drop it on, put it out to snuff it. When it's cool, we can do what we need to do. So yeah, what a cool thing to find. You know, old school, reliable, no moving parts. Just add meths and you're going. So yeah, I know many of you have used these. I think anyone that's been a scout or on a school outdoor ed trip has probably used the Trangia at some point. But yeah, for me, this is really good. I will be buying the teapot to add to the set, because I do enjoy a cup of tea. And then I'll have the full thing. I've been looking for one of these for a wee while, and I wanted a second-hand one. I wanted a good, tidy second-hand one, and look at that, I've got it. So yeah, this is me happy, and wishing you a good day. We'll be in touch. Hope to get some fishing in the next week or so, so try and get an update with what's going on there. And also thinking about a boating safety video or two. But anyway, have a good day. Ka kite. Bye.